This morning we turned up to do our installation of the panels on the roof, and they create that DC charge from the light we get from the sun, and those panels drive that DC charge into our inverter system, which in this case we've actually installed under the property and wired that back into the switchboard. That inverter system is really the crucial part of the system. That turns our DC charge into AC, and we power our homes seamlessly from that AC charge. So when we calculated the system for this, of the 11 panels, we had a daytime use to take care of just over 16 kilowatts per day on average over that 12-month period. So with 11 panels here, we're going to generate just on that at 16 kilowatts. They're 390 watt Q-cells panels, and they're designed and engineered from Germany. They're an outstanding panel for us with a full 18-year product warranty. One of the key tricks that we've got on this system in particular is the Eddy power diverter from My Energy. The power diverter intelligently understands when we are over-generating power from our roof, and instead of sending that off to the grid for a small credit from our power company, we actually take that and send that to the hot water cylinder, and it'll do it all day for us. More importantly, it turns it off at night. It's the best way of saving money when you've got a daytime solar system. The Eddy power diverter can also give us great monitoring data out of it as well, so you can have a look on your phone or on your web app. We're able to show you the generation of the system, what the home is using and what they're sending to the grid, pulling from the grid, and if you've got a battery in place, we can show you the state of that and how it's powering the home.